Hello everyone, this is MOUSUMI'S and you're watching MOUSUMI'S Artistry. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my newest video, that is a t-shirt painting. So as you can see that I have taken a t-shirt here and have made some rough sketches with a pencil first, and then I have made some carbon copies with the help of carbon papers. And as usual I have used Fabrica acrylic paints here, and after that I have inserted a paper here so that the colors couldn't soak in the back side of the t-shirt. And in this video I didn't apply the colors directly from the bottle because I wanted to make some different colors with that. So I have mixed the colors with each other and have made some different kind of colors and applied it. So first of all I need to tell you that I have chosen a subject that is a kind of tribal painting, and it's a kind of abstract painting. At first I was totally confused that what I should do or what not, but then I have decided that okay, let's try something new, and this is it. I have decided to do it. And one more thing I need to tell you that if I have made any mistake or something, please let me know in the comment section below, because this is my very first t-shirt painting. I haven't made any kind of t-shirt painting before, so it's a kind of experimental work for me. Okay, after all this I need to tell something about my paintings also. After completing the black part, because these are the tribal faces, and for this I need to apply the black color first, and then I have decided to add some bright colors on it. So I have used this kind of red, blue, green, yellow, orangish, this kind of colors, so that it can look much more colorful or beautiful. And yes, a very important thing, that is we need to let it dry for 1 hour or 2 hours after coloring, because the colors need to be dried properly. And after filling all the colors I have made some border works here and have made some random lines or dots. As it is my first t-shirt painting, I was little tensed before, but now I can say that I am highly satisfied with my work. So that's all for today. Hope you have liked it. If yes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.